NASA scientists have made a groundbreaking claim that has left everyone amazed. They've announced that the question of whether life exists beyond Earth is no longer in doubt. However, the discovery is not about intelligent life, but rather a completely different form of life that could pose a serious threat to life on Earth. For years, humanity has struggled to find evidence of life on other planets, and despite numerous attempts, we've yet to make contact with extraterrestrial beings. Until now, Earth has been the only known planet to host intelligent life. But recently, scientists made an astonishing breakthrough. Dr. Michelle Fleur, a researcher at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, confidently declared that extraterrestrial life may be hiding on Venus, a planet with conditions too extreme for humans to survive. Along with this, another group of scientists found something strange happening on Venus's surface. Recently, NASA scientists reviewing images from the Magellan mission, which mapped Venus's surface in the 1990s, discovered unexpected movement. By comparing two images taken just 8 months apart, scientists found that a giant crater had doubled in size. This unexpected change, along with other strange findings, has left scientists wondering what could be causing it. This startling discovery is forcing NASA to reconsider its approach to exploring Venus, with many now calling for a new mission to study the planet more closely. Stay with us as we dive deeper into this incredible discovery and explore how an unclassified image of Venus has left scientists puzzled and why they are hesitant to investigate further. In recent times, there has been a lot of discussion about the existence of alien life in our universe. The existence of aliens has been a hot topic of debate among the public since a shocking statement by former National Intelligence Officer David Grush. Grush stated that the United States government has found and covered up evidence of extraterrestrial life for decades. Meanwhile, NASA scientists made strange discoveries on Venus, a place where we least expect alien life to exist because the atmosphere is full of poisonous gases. As you draw closer to Venus, your anticipation of discovering an environment conducive to human habitation would quickly dissipate. Unlike initial hopes of encountering a planet only marginally warmer than Earth, the reality is far harsher. Venus presents an astonishing temperature exceeding 880 degrees Fahrenheit, a level that would render any form of life as we know it impossible to sustain. Moreover, the planet's atmosphere is exceptionally dense, creating surface pressure so extreme it could effortlessly crush even a robust structure like a nuclear submarine. Therefore, the chances of alien life existing on this planet are very slim. However, we cannot ignore the fact that Venus is also known as the evil twin of Earth, and this planet may host life that is totally different from life on Earth. Surprisingly, a new claim by NASA scientists has further strengthened this possibility. The new claim, presented by Dr. Michelle Fleur, has created an uproar among those interested in extraterrestrial life. She says possible signs of life have already been seen within the carbon dioxide-filled atmosphere, and that she is absolutely certain life exists somewhere. She never expected it to be on Venus. Venus is now one of the places where we see something in the atmosphere that looks very much like it could be produced by bacteria. The revelation of potentially poisonous microbial entities detected within the atmosphere of Venus has raised intriguing questions, and concerns about the potential impact on Earth's biosphere have arisen. Previously, Soviet landers detected an object on Venus that bore an uncanny resemblance to a scorpion. This remarkable finding took place during the Soviet Union's Venera program, which aimed to explore and study Venus in the 1960s and 1970s. The scorpion-like object was observed in the images transmitted by one of the Venera landers that successfully touched down on the harsh and hostile surface of Venus. The object appeared to have a segmented, elongated body with what seemed to be a curved tail reminiscent of a scorpion's characteristic stinger. This unexpected sighting sparked widespread interest and speculation among scientists and the public alike. However, further analysis and understanding of the images eventually revealed that the scorpion-like appearance was a result of a combination of natural processes and pixelation in the images. On the other hand, a recent observation made on the old images of Venus has revealed that something strange is happening there. This is the surface of Venus near its equator, observed by NASA's Magellan spacecraft, which mapped the entire surface of the planet using radar in the early 1990s. Recently, while examining some old photographs from this mission, scientists discovered some shocking results. Lead study author Robert Herrick from the University of Alaska Fairbanks observed significant movement in this region of Venus. The researchers suggested that this movement could be due to volcanic activity on the planet's surface. One of the key images analyzed was taken in February 1991. The observations showed two volcanic vents in the Atla region, home to two of Venus's largest volcanoes. The first image, taken in February 1991, shows the initial state of the vents. However, the second image, captured 8 months later in October 1991, reveals that while one volcanic vent remained mostly unchanged, the other vent grew significantly in size. Additionally, the surrounding region appeared completely transformed within this short period. This volcanic activity was linked to changes observed in the terrain between February and October 1991. In the first image, the size of the vent was measured to be 2.2 square kilometers. Over the course of 8 months, the size of one volcanic vent on Venus doubled and became irregular in shape in the second image. Robert Herrick observed that the vents, which initially appeared deep with steep walls in the first image, were almost completely filled with material. He also discovered a new flow area measuring about 67 square kilometers. However, some scientists question whether these changes are solely due to volcanic activity or if other factors, such as Venus quakes or unknown phenomena, might be involved. Responding to these doubts, Herrick acknowledged the possibility of alternative explanations, but maintained that volcanic activity is the most likely cause. These strange movements on the planet are still a mystery yet to be solved. Is it just due to the recent volcanic activity, or is there something strange happening that we have no idea about? Scientists have previously found signs of life in Venus's clouds, and recent discoveries of volcanic activity suggest that unknown types of life forms may exist on the planet. The atmosphere of Venus shows some signs that could only occur if bacteria lived on the planet. Although some scientists believe that the surface of Venus cannot support any kind of life that is visible on Earth, there is a possibility that other life forms, completely different from life on Earth, could survive in this harsh environment. Scientists have also warned that such a life form could be a threat to our planet. They may not be intelligent, but the environment in which they survive may make them a threat to life on Earth, as scientists have observed in earlier studies that challenging environments create toxic life forms. The environment on Venus could give rise to unfriendly alien life, and contact with them could be a threat to life on Earth. Subscribe for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching.